Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to link data from one cell to another across different sheets in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a big project, updating reports, or just want to keep things organized, this trick can save you so much time and hassle. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect information between different sheets seamlessly, so you never have to worry about data getting out of sync again. Let's dive right in. Alright, so here we are inside a Smartsheet sheet. Picture this as your project hub, your place where all the magic happens. The first thing you'll want to do is decide which cell you want to link. Think of this as the destination cell, the spot where you want your live, up-to-date data to appear. Go ahead and right-click on that cell, that little menu that pops up. It's your best friend for managing cells, and one of those handy options is Link from Cell. Now when you select Link from Cell, Smartsheet is basically asking, okay, where do you want to grab this data from? Here, you can either search for the sheet you want to connect to or scroll through the list if you have a bunch. This step is really important because it's what links your current sheet to the one holding the data you need, almost like connecting two rooms with a secret passage so information flows automatically. After you find and click the sheet you want, you can navigate to the specific cell you want to pull data from. It might take a moment, especially if your sheet is on the bigger side. That's totally normal. Once you select it, Smartsheet will lock in that connection. You'll notice a small blue arrow icon appears on the side of the cell you linked. Think of this as a little flag that says, hey, this cell is getting its info from somewhere else. If you hover your mouse over that arrow, Smartsheet will also give you a quick peek, showing exactly which sheet and cell your data is coming from. This is super helpful, especially if you're managing several links and want to double-check things at a glance. If you want to repeat the process and link other cells, go right ahead. There's actually no limit, so you can establish as many connections as you need between sheets. This is perfect if you have, say, a summary page that pulls updates from different project sheets, or if you want a master list that stays in sync as people make changes elsewhere. Once you've set up your links, I recommend refreshing your browser tab or clicking the refresh button inside Smartsheet. Sometimes, especially if you've made multiple links or your internet is a bit slow, the updated values might take a moment to show up. Refreshing ensures that all the data from your linked sheets is fully populated and accurate, kind of like giving the system a gentle nudge to make sure everything syncs up. And just like that, you've successfully linked data across sheets in Smartsheet. This may seem like a small feature, but it can be a real game changer when it comes to keeping your workflow smooth and your data consistent. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions or tips you have down in the comments. I love helping you all out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.